Hey there, Mr. Butcher. My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing, and I actually reached out and spoke to Mary today. Let her know that I was going to be sending over this video with some tips and tricks you can actually do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful for you. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up here, Hinkle Roofing. I love the woodpecker over here. That's great. I love the logo. I like that you got your click to call up here and your form submit. 58% of people or more are actually searching on their cell phone, so having a click to call is great. And for the people that's a little shy that don't want to talk on the phone, you got a form submit right there, which is great as well. Now, looking through your website, you got some great pictures on here. Things that you offer your customers. You know, it's just not a bad website overall, but I would suggest more content. My biggest suggestion is adding content to this website because Google loves content. 24/7, Google sends bots out to crawl these sites to identify what your site's about and where you do services. So having roofing, Birmingham, Alabama, and the bots crawl this site, they will see that you're roofing and you're doing it in Birmingham. Now, throughout that content, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of command content on this home page. And throughout that content, you want to make sure you're adding buyer intent keywords. Again, roofing, Birmingham. That's the service that you provide and the location of that service. You also want to make sure you're taking advantage of these photos and videos because those count as content too. So whenever you save a photo, make sure that you're adding buyer intent keywords to the backlog of it. So this should be roofing, Birmingham, Alabama roofing. That would be a keyword and a good opportunity to take advantage of that. Now, what I've done is taken your website and put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what it's going to do is give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR, which means strength, and the DR, which means trust. Now, these numbers go up to 100, so you want to try to keep them balanced and moving up continuously. You've got 1,730 backlinks. And these backlinks normally power your URDR, your strength and your trust. They power your buyer intent keywords. They really help get your website moving up. If you're unfamiliar with what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another website. So it's pretty much one website giving another website a shout out via clickable button or text. You know, click here, or hinkleroofing.com. They can click it on a blog site for roofing and get taken straight to your website. That is a backlink. You essentially share power from one source to another. Now, you've got 1,700 organic keywords. And again, the keyword is the service and the location that you provide that service. So Birmingham roofer, there's 400 people searching that a month and a KD of 12. You're actually in position 3 and you're getting 46 searches a month from that keyword right there. Roofing in Birmingham, you're getting 36 a month. So it's really not bad at all. You know, you got some pretty good keywords in here. So again, you want to make sure you're mixing those keywords along with that content. Now, the way I found you is Birmingham, Alabama roofers. Google Ads is a good way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying for those ads, they take you off there, you know, and you're not even on the top 3 in these, but you are on the top 3 in the Google Business Profile, and that is great. So you're doing good there. Now down here is the organics, and you're number 1 in organics as well. So for the keyword Birmingham, Alabama roofers, you are actually in the top 3, and you're number 1 right here on the organic section. Now, to make sure that no one's coming up behind you, again, make sure that you're adding those keywords on there. Make sure you're adding the content throughout your web pages. You want to make sure that if you're attacking these certain cities, areas we serve, you want to make sure that you've got back pages built for each city that you want to be attacking. So, Brighton, Alabama, you want to make sure that you are having a minimum of 500 words of command content on this page. And again, make sure that you got buyer intent keywords in there as well. So it seems like you're not doing bad at all. I just know that there wasn't a lot of content on here, and that's the way that you can capitalize and keep the other guys from coming up and overtaking your position. Again, my name's Leo Arona. If you got any questions, or if you wanted to ask anything about suggestions, I'm definitely a resource for you. I hope you have a great day. And if you need anything from me, give me a call or reply to this email, Mr. Buttram. Have a great one.